Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my voice, I'm feeling under the weather, but today's vlog, it's a long one. So grab your favorite holiday drink, get comfy, and let's get right into today's vlog. Hey you guys, so I'm right here in the school line picking up Jay. My sister-in-law just went and picked up the puppies. We're gonna surprise our kids with puppies. And oh my goodness, I'm super excited. Ay. Let's see what's happening. Mis amores, ¿cómo están? Estoy aquí recogiendo al niño a la escuela. Les contaba que los vamos a sorprender con unos perritos nuevos. Ellos querían perritos. Ustedes, si me siguen en Instagram, ya saben que el puppy de Jaden falleció recientemente, así que lo vamos a sorprender con un nuevo integrante a la familia. So we're going to surprise Jaden with a new puppy. If you follow on Instagram, then you know that Sky, which it was the puppy that we had, passed away.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Nick's Puppies. You already know what's up, man. I got a client that decided her and her sister-in-law were going to get a puppy. Then they saw this one. They said, yo, I fell in love. Does he have a brother? Does he have a sister? Let me get another one. We hooked him up with a good deal. So double the trouble, double the fun. Y'all see what we got here, man. Y'all hit me up for these specials, man. Holiday season.
Sister-in-law wrapped up some boxes with the letters because this came from their elf, an early gift from their elf on the shelf. You already know. So anyways, my puppy was just coming out of the box, as you can see.
Open
so it
the
was
door,
a little fail, but
come.
here are the kids coming
Amazon
to be
Press
surprised.
Stop. Can you wait? Bring it inside. Doesn't it have names? What? No, it's not. Okay, bring the box inside, guys. Come on. Salud. What? Put it here, guys. Come, put it here. It's a what? What do you mean? You open it. Guys, come here, Christopher. Can you read the letter first? Jaden.
Amazon. Oh my God, Jaden.
Wow. Wow. Uh-oh. Where's your bow? Hi. Jaden. What happened?
Get out.
Read your letter.
He got super emotional. He even cried and everything, but he was so excited. And he was just speechless, you guys. I was so happy to see his reaction.
What's your doggy's name, Christopher?
Gucci.
And you're gonna name her what?
Whatever it is.
Whatever it is. What is the name? You need help?
Yes.
Tell people to comment what you should name your doggy.
Comment which name should I name my dog?
Okay, and you have a girl and Christopher has a boy.
Hey.
After an exciting day and full of emotion, it was time for me to start working on the Christmas tree while everyone was asleep. So here I am showing you some of the icicles that I'm going to be using. They're all made of glass and they look so beautiful. I'm telling you, in the video, it doesn't do any justice to this ornament. I am obsessed with the way the light, I don't even know how to explain to you the glow that you see in person. Let's DIY a giant bow. Here I am measuring the tails of the bow. I'm kind of eyeballing this out, honestly. I bought 14 yards of this burgundy tulle. I'm gonna link everything down below. And here I am just cutting the tails or whatever you call this from the bow that I'm gonna be making. And then I'm gonna make the actual bow. You're gonna fold your fabric as you see me do here, and the dog is pulling one side. But I fold it 6 times, and then I cut, and then I put a zip tie to secure and make the bow shape. So using a zip tie again, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the sides of the bow to the actual bow, if that makes any sense, but it will make sense. Then when I put it on the Christmas tree, I realized that I wanted the bow on the top to be a little bit more fluffy, so I made a smaller bow and I attached it to the front of this one. Then you're gonna put fabric to cover the zip tie and everything, but this is how it looked at the beginning, and when I saw it in the Christmas tree, I was like, wait, I want to make a bigger statement. So I made a smaller bow, as you can see on this shot right here that I'm about to show you. And it sits in front of the big bow. So it just looks, you know, cuter. Zip tie is going to be your best friend for this DIY. I use zip tie also to attach it to the branches of my Christmas tree. So let's start right here in the entryway. We're gonna put the garland again around the mirror like last year. I really like the look. And of course, we're gonna add it as well on the console table. I made a little bow, as you can see, and I attached it there. And I honestly this year was thinking of bringing Christmas glam back, but I wanted to use a pop of color, and burgundy came to mind because it's the color of the year. And why not? So here I'm using my acrylic reindeer, my acrylic nutcracker, all my acrylic stuff. And honestly, the video does not justice because it's so hard to catch this on video, but it looks so pretty. Let's move into the formal living room. This gorgeous sparkle pillow was my inspiration for this year. That's why I wanted more glass ornaments on the tree and nothing else. And when the light hit those pillows, you guys have to see it. It is so beautiful. I really wish I knew how to use my camera a little bit better so it could showcase how when the light hits it. Anyways, here for this sofa, I'm just adding this burgundy pillow covers that I got on Amazon, and I'm gonna be doing a DIY in these pillow covers, but I just couldn't get to it on this video. But maybe in one of my other vlogs you will see it finalized. But for now, this is what I'm doing in this area. Simple touches. For the dining room, we're gonna keep things simple again. We're gonna put a fur runner, then we're gonna add some greenery on top of it, and my glass candle holders. But this time we're gonna add floating candles. And you guys, here I am just putting this white base that I was using it in the coffee table for fall, and these reindeers that I had for a while. I just put a bow on it. You already know, just a bow and everything this season. So they're super trendy, and I think it gives it a different look from previous years. So here I'm putting my greenery that you saw me use last year with the little LED picks as well. So yeah, this area just looks like this, and I'm adding water now to my candle holders to add my floating candles. And you guys, you don't have to go and buy a bunch of new Christmas decor every single year. Work with what you have by adding bows or adding other things or moving decor from space to space. It makes it look brand new. Trust the process, work with what you have. For the bar cart here, we're just putting my drink dispenser because I'm going to be using that. And then of course I added the same candle holders that I had in this area previously for fall and some champagne flutes. Let's move on into the kitchen. I'm gonna start here with my hot cocoa bar station because I'm excited to drink hot cocoa every single night, even though I'm in Florida and it doesn't get, you know, that cold. In Miami, I meant. So here I'm using my countdown for Christmas. Look at this, what I'm telling you. This little cutting board I used it last year, and look, it looks different this year because I put a bow on it with zip tie. I'm telling you, zip tie are your best friend this holiday season. I'm adding this gingerbread Christmas tree, gingerbread house that I got at Ross this year, and this 2-tier stand acrylic. I got it this year as well on Amazon. And these little dispensers, I also got them in Amazon to put my hot cocoa toppings, which is peppermint, of course, a marshmallow, and sprinkles because that was requested by Jaden. Now for the rest of the kitchen, I'm going to be using these items right here. Little items, you guys, just a little touch. I'm telling you, zip tie. I put a zip tie, put a little mini wreath, added a bow, and look at that. The cutting board looks so cute. I'm adding this Christmas measuring cup that I got this year, and then my Christmas tree cutting board that I have from previous year. I'm going to add a little dish here. It's like a butter dish, but it looks like a little house, so I'm adding that there, and some picks to this base. And look at that, you guys, simple touches. Of course, we're gonna have to make a little bow because I'm telling you, I'm in my bow era. Here I am with the dish towels, and then we're gonna put it by the oven, and it's just gonna look nice in there.
It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the
Kitchen counter, for now I added the same base that I've been using for the past few months. Some Christmas greenery in here and a little candle, and that's pretty much it, you guys.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Guys, thanks a lot for watching. That was it for today's video. If you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe before you go today, and I will see you all on the next video. God bless.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house.